Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Hermit and His Student. A moral story: true affection can do what medicines cannot. An old hermit had an obedient student named Sawyer. One day, the hermit visited the king, who said, "Hermit, as you are old now, you must stay here so that you can be looked after." A few days later, the hermit began missing Sawyer. Alone, he became depressed, stopped eating, and soon fell ill. The king sent his best doctors to him. His servants made food for him. The queen told him jokes. But in spite of best efforts, the king could not cure him. He took the hermit to visit Sawyer. On seeing Sawyer, the hermit ate food. Sawyer cared for him and looked after him. He got him fresh fruit and vegetables from the garden. He cooked the food for him. He gave him medicine. He spent all his time with him. The hermit grew well again. He said, "Sawyer respects and takes care of me selflessly." The king went back alone to his palace.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.